Bobby. I am studying in 7th class. I have fresh fruits and vegetables. I have tomato, onion, ginger, lady's finger, carrot, and etc. They are very healthy. We should eat fresh fruits and vegetables every day.
Very good.
Good morning. Good evening to all. My name is Monisha. I am studying 5th class. I am a makeup kit. My job is to create magic. I know girls are very beautiful. Make them different. Come on, let me show my magic powder. These are eyeliner. These are eyebrow pencil. These are lipstick. These are comb. These are magic powder. These are sticker packet. These are scissors, etc.
Very good.
Hello everyone. My name is Monica. I am studying 4th class. I am who dresses also swings clothes, makes swings clothes, scissors,
Thread. Tape.
etc. Next,
Go.
Good evening, teachers and the students. My name is Rohini. I am studying.
First నుంచి అదొద్దు I am studying
I am studying 7th class. I am a principal. I love teaching. I teach English subject. I also teach moral values and good manners. I am a whole mat to my students.
చెప్పండి అందరూ A for apple అన్న.
A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog.
Very good. నువ్వేం చెప్పు.
Thank you very much.
అమ్మ
Good evening everyone. My name is Yashaswini. I am studying 6th class. I am a teacher. I love teaching. I teach English subject along good manners. Noun, pronoun, adverb.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Very good. Thank you to all.
Thank you to all. My name is Bhairana.
గట్టిగా.
My name is Bhairana. I am studying 3rd class. I am a hero.
Watch.
Love acting.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Rolling.
Hello everyone. My name is Pratusha. I am studying 5th class. My school name is MPPS School. I am playing my mother role. My mother name is Ashwini. She loves me and I love her.
వెళ్ళు రా.
మమ్మీ నాకు ఆకలిస్తుంది.
రా.
Hi everyone, my name is Kumar Raja. I am studying 7th class. I am a police. This is my police uniform. I am.
ఊరే ఆగరా.
This is criminal. I carrying handcuffs and gun. I strong and brave. I protected everyone.
అరే బేబీ.
రా.
Hi friends, good evening. My name is Navya. I am studying 5th class. I am a lawyer. A lawyer and Supreme High Court. I am
Consider.
considered as one of the community and poor. I will go to